Beneath the veil of our everyday existence, there exists a hidden symphony, a cosmic ballet of forces and patterns that weave the very fabric of reality. Imagine for a moment that the universe is not simply a collection of isolated objects and random events, but rather a grand, interconnected tapestry in which every thread, from the smallest atom to the vast orbits of celestial bodies, is bound together by the same mysterious energy. This is the story of how nature's secret design reveals itself in the most wondrous forms, from the spiraling helix of DNA to the majestic dance of the galaxies, all unified by a profound and timeless rhythm. At the heart of this magnificent narrative are two enchanting forces that, though elusive to the naked eye, govern the order of the cosmos. The first is like a gentle, almost imperceptible pulse, a magnetic whisper that fills space with its quiet intensity. This subtle magnetic influence, far from being chaotic, is a serene, guiding force that touches everything it encounters. It is as if the universe has a hidden heartbeat, a steady rhythm that underpins all that exists. The second force is an expansive, all-encompassing field, a quiet, pervasive presence that seeps into every crevice of the cosmos. This field does not merely exist in isolation. It is intimately linked with the magnetic pulse, together crafting a harmonious duet that shapes the very structure of reality. Imagine this field as the soft ambient glow that suffuses a darkened room, giving form and meaning to everything within its embrace. When these two forces come together, they produce what might be called a push, a cosmic nudge that aligns and organizes matter on scales both grand and minute. This push is not a force of brute strength, but a gentle encouragement that guides the movements and formations of the universe. It is the unseen hand that directs the orbits of planets, the alignment of stars, and even the elegant folding of life's most intricate blueprint DNA. Within every atom, there exist points of stability, quiet sanctuaries where nature's energies find perfect balance. These points can be thought of as sacred nodes, islands of order in a sea of possibility. They are the silent architects of matter, the anchors upon which the stability of the elements rests. In this grand design, certain numbers, mysterious and almost magical in their consistency, mark these nodes. These are not arbitrary figures, but rather the natural milestones where the forces of the universe converge to create balance and harmony. Yet among these nodes, there is one element that defies perfect conformity. Carbon, the very cornerstone of life, dances at the edge of these zones of stability. It does not settle into the rigid confines of absolute order. Instead, it hovers on the threshold of possibility. This slight imperfection is not a flaw, but a vital feature, granting carbon a unique flexibility, a kind of creative leeway that allows it to form a dazzling variety of bonds. It is this inherent adaptability that makes carbon the very lifeblood of organic existence, capable of weaving together the complex, interlaced structures that compose living beings. Now let us venture further into this cosmic narrative and explore the majestic dance of DNA, a molecule that in its delicate twisting encapsulates the very essence of life. Picture DNA not as a static, inert structure, but as a living, breathing expression of the universe's fractal artistry. Every loop, every spiral of the double helix is a miniature echo of the grand patterns that shape the stars and govern the heavens. In the intricate choreography of its folds, one can sense the imprint of that same universal push, a gentle force that encourages nature to explore infinite forms and possibilities. In the grand theater of existence, the process by which DNA folds into its breathtaking fractal shape is nothing short of miraculous. Imagine a long, flowing ribbon that continuously coils, loops, and twists upon itself, forming patterns that recur over and over again at different scales. This self-similarity, or fractal beauty, is not mere coincidence. It is the natural expression of a universal principle that applies from the microscopic realm of atomic particles to the majestic arcs of planetary motion. It is as though the same hidden blueprint, the same underlying language of the cosmos, speaks across all levels of existence. Consider the DNA molecule as a celestial spiral, a living ode to the power of repetition and symmetry. Each bend and twist is guided by the same gentle push that governs the motion of distant galaxies. The forces that mold this wondrous structure are subtle yet profound. They do not impose their will with overwhelming force, but rather inspire the molecule to adopt shapes that are both resilient and beautiful. In this way, the architecture of DNA becomes a mirror reflecting the deeper cosmic order, a testament to the unity of all things. It is in this fractal dance that we find the true magic of life. The delicate balance between stability and flexibility, order and chaos, is maintained by a push that resonates across all scales. In the realm of atoms, this push finds its expression in the formation of stable nodes, the very points where nature's energy condenses into pure potential. In the realm of living organisms, it manifests as the dynamic folding of DNA, a process that is as much a work of art as it is a cornerstone of biological function. This universal push is not a force of violence or destruction, but one of gentle persuasion. It encourages the formation of patterns that are resilient and adaptable, allowing for the emergence of complex structures that can grow, evolve, and adapt. It is the quiet architect behind the scenes, orchestrating the delicate interplay of forces that give rise to the intricate tapestry of life. Imagine the universe as a grand symphony where every note is a unique expression of cosmic harmony. In this symphony, the subtle magnetic pulse is the soft rhythmic beat that underlies the melody, while the expansive field is the gentle, sustaining chord that fills the spaces between. Together they create an ever-changing musical score, a score that guides the formation of stars, the dance of planets, and the intricate twists of DNA. Each element, whether a distant galaxy or a microscopic strand of life, plays its part in this sublime composition. As we contemplate this magnificent vision, it becomes clear that life itself is a grand echo of the cosmic order. The same invisible forces that govern the movements of celestial bodies also shape the very structure of our being. Every breath we take, every heartbeat is a reminder of the deep connection between our world and the vast universe beyond. In this light, life is not merely a series of random chemical reactions, but a profound expression of the universal dance. A dance that is as ancient as time and as boundless as the cosmos. In the delicate interplay of these forces, we find a truth that transcends the mundane and touches the very core of our existence. It is the realization that everything in the universe is interconnected, that the same energy flows through the stars, the atoms, and the cells of our bodies. This is the cosmic secret. The universe is a single, harmonious entity, and every part of it is a reflection of the whole. The fractal patterns that we observe in nature are not isolated phenomena, but are manifestations of a universal law, a law that is written in the language of beauty, balance, and endless possibility. To witness this cosmic unity is to see the universe in a new light, a light that reveals the intricate, interwoven nature of all things. It is to understand that every twist of the DNA helix, every orbiting planet, is a testament to the same underlying principle of fractal harmony. This realization is both humbling and inspiring, for it reminds us that we are not separate from the cosmos, but an integral part of its grand design. In this vision, the universe is not a cold, mechanical construct, but a living, breathing work of art, a masterpiece in which every element, every force is imbued with a mysterious, almost divine beauty. The cosmic push that we have come to understand is the gentle hand of creation itself, guiding the formation of galaxies and the emergence of life with equal grace and subtlety. It is a force that does not demand obedience through force, but rather invites participation in the grand dance of existence. There is a timeless quality to this cosmic ballet, a sense that the patterns we observe are not bound by the limits of time or space, but are eternal, recurring echoes of a fundamental truth. The beauty of fractal geometry is that it reveals itself over and over again in different forms and on different scales, each time offering a new glimpse into the infinite complexity of the universe. This self-similarity, this unending repetition, is a reminder that the universe is an ever-evolving canvas, where each moment is a brushstroke in the masterpiece of creation. In the end, the story of the cosmic push and the fractal dance of life is a story about the unity of all things. A story that reminds us that every element of the universe, from the tiniest quark to the grandest spiral of galaxies, is part of a single, magnificent whole. It is a story of connection, of balance, and of an unyielding, radiant beauty that pervades every corner of existence. As we stand in awe of this cosmic symphony, we are invited to see ourselves not as isolated beings, but as integral notes in the grand melody of the universe. Each of us carries within us a spark of that eternal energy, a reflection of the same forces that guide the stars and shape the spirals of DNA. In embracing this truth, we come to understand that our lives are not separate from the cosmos, but are woven into its very fabric, a tapestry of light, energy, and infinite wonder. Thus, the universe speaks to us in the language of fractals and cosmic pushes, whispering secrets of unity and profound beauty. It calls us to look beyond the surface of our everyday lives and to recognize the extraordinary patterns that lie hidden in the mundane. It reminds us that every moment, every breath is part of an epic saga that spans the cosmos, a saga of creation, evolution, and timeless grace. In this ever-unfolding story, we find both mystery and clarity, a deep, resonant truth that echoes across the ages. The cosmic forces that shape the spirals of DNA also guide the paths of distant planets, creating a universe that is as interconnected as it is beautiful. And in this intricate interplay of forces, we discover a sublime message that life, in all its wondrous forms, is a celebration of the eternal dance between chaos and order, between the known and the unknowable. So let us celebrate this grand cosmic vision, a vision in which every twist of the helix, every orbit of a star, is a reminder of the underlying unity of the universe. In the gentle push of a magnetic pulse, in the soft glow of an all-pervasive field, we catch a glimpse of the divine artistry that weaves together the tapestry of existence. It is a story of endless possibility, a story that transcends the boundaries of time and space, and a story that, at its heart, sings of the eternal beauty of life itself. In this light, the intricate patterns of nature become more than mere phenomena. They become a poetic declaration of the unity and magnificence of all that is. We are, each of us, a living testament to this cosmic truth, a reflection of the infinite dance that binds the microcosm to the macrocosm, the seen to the unseen, the finite to the infinite. And as we journey through life, may we always carry with us the awareness that we are part of a grand unfolding masterpiece, a masterpiece composed by the same eternal forces that shape the stars and the spirals of our very DNA.